Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Bose QuietComfort Earbuds 2, and in this video I am going to show you 3 different ways to fix the connection problem for these earbuds with your phone. So first of all I will show you the problem. So what you have to do is, for example, I open the Bose Music app on my phone. So I open this app and here you can see the Bose QC earbuds 2 not available. It start searching, but still it is unable to find it. Okay, so even if I just select this connect option, so it is still connecting, and at the end it is unable to find the earbuds. Okay, so even if I try to take them out, okay, so if I try to take them out, it is still unable to connect it. So the first method is by changing the Bluetooth settings. So first of all you have to close this app, okay, and then you have to turn on the Bluetooth settings. So you just scroll down the quick panel option. Here is the Bluetooth icon. You have to press and hold it. So I will press and hold it. It will open the Bluetooth settings. So once you enter into the Bluetooth settings, you can see it says LE Bose QC Earbuds 2. So here you see this settings icon, just select it. Once you select it, here at the bottom you will see this option of unpair. Okay, so you just select it and then you have to unpair it. So I will just unpair it. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to insert these earbuds into this charging case. Okay, so I will insert them one by one, so make sure it is properly adjusted. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to close this Bluetooth settings on your phone. So I will close it and then I will open the Bose Music app. So I will open this Bose Music app. Okay, now what you have to do, on the back side of your charging case there is a Bluetooth button. Okay, so here you can see this button. You have to press and hold it for 3 seconds. Okay, so I will press and hold it for 3 seconds. Okay, like this. Okay, so once you press and hold it, you can see on your phone it is showing the Bluetooth pairing request. Okay, so here you can see Bluetooth pairing request. So I will pair it. So once you pair it, it will start searching and then it will make a connection. So here you can see it says connected. So then it will ask you if you want to allow the access to contacts. So if you want to allow, so you can allow it, but I don't want, so I just deny it. So here you can see the Bluetooth earbuds are now connected. So I just select it and here you can see you have all your settings available. So this is the first method. Now let's move to the second method. So for example, I open the Bose Music app. Okay, and here you can see it is showing not available, and then what you have to do, you have to open your charging case with earbuds inside. So I will just open it. You can see earbuds are inside. Now what you have to do, you have to see this back Bluetooth button. You have to press and hold it for 5 seconds. Okay, so I will just press and hold it for 5 seconds, and then on your phone you can see it is now showing the Bluetooth pairing request. Okay, so you just have to leave it like this. Okay, so you can just leave it like that and then you can pair it. So I just select this pair option and then it will start searching and then it will make a connection. So it will ask you to allow the access to contact. So I just allow it this time. Okay, and then you can see it is now connected and it is also showing you the charging for left and right earbuds. So this is the second method. The last method is directly through Bluetooth settings on your phone. Okay, so you just turn on the Bluetooth setting, just press and hold this Bluetooth icon like this. Okay, and then here what you have to do is you have to open your charging case. So just open the charging case and here on your device it is showing this LE Bose QC Earbuds 2. Just select it. Once you select it, start connecting and it is said now it is connected. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to just take these earbuds out of this charging case and you have to wear them on your ears. So I will wear it on my ear. So now I just wear it. Okay, and then you can close this Bluetooth settings. Okay, so now they are connected. If you open the Bose Music app, Okay, I will open the Bose Music app, and here you can see it starts searching and then it will connect automatically. So here you can see it is now connected. So now you can use them easily. So basically in this method you have to wear them and then automatically they get connected after the Bluetooth settings. So this is how you can use these three methods for the Bluetooth connection. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.